Here we are with a video test of the Sony G Master 24mm 1.4 lens. We're at f11 at the moment. We're on the A7R4 and we're in Super 35, which is really where you want to be on this camera for video recording, as opposed to the A7 III, where full frame seems to give the best results. But because this is such high megapixels, we're on Super 35. We're at XAVC S4K. We're at 30p 100 megabits a second, and enjoy. Let's have a slow pan. We're in continuous autofocus. ISO 100. Shutter speed 1/250. Quick test of the stereo microphones. Left channel, right channel, left channel, right channel, center channel. We're at 3 minutes now. If you've made it this far, comment below. You can't go wrong with Jason Vong. Got a good deal on this A7R4 Christmas time. Sony were doing a cashback offer, and there was also an offer at my store on trading in used items, so I got a good deal and literally haven't used it. It's just been doing nothing because of the current situation. But today the sun came out and I thought it would be nice to give it a spin. Bit of motivation. And a lovely day it is too. This will be a 5-minute test, 30 seconds left. And again, this is the Sony G Master 24mm lens, one of my personal favourites. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.